All right, now welcome to this video. I'm just going to give you a brief summary of what we talked about earlier, that is the steps involved in building a machine learning solution. We spoke about project preparation. In project preparation, we spoke about how you need to understand your problem and define what success actually means to you, like what are the results you're expecting at the end of your project. That's very important. We spoke about data, where we involve data collection, which is very important. Given that the machine has to learn from the data, we spoke about data analysis. We need to actually understand this data and analyze it if there are duplicates, inconsistent data, and actually solve those problems. Then we also spoke about data processing, that is actually converting the data we have into a format that will be used by a model. And also we spoke about feature selection, that is selecting the data we need. And we jumped into modeling. We spoke about the various types of machine learning. From there, you can be able to choose what machine learning you're actually going to use. We spoke about splitting our data into three sets: the training data set, the validation data set, and the test data set. We spoke about tuning, and we explained all of these. We also spoke about overfitting and underfitting, very important terms. And finally, we spoke about deployment. If a model is good, we make it public. If a model is good, we make it public. It does the job we wanted it to do in the first place. Very important. In the next video, I'm going to actually be telling you the tools we're going to need for machine learning. We'll have a lot of literature. It's high time we jump into the practice. Thank you. See you in the next video.